Hi class, I'd like to show you a couple of things on our main website here, Desire to Learn. So here's our home page. If you scroll down, there's our My Math Lab link, which you've been using. But if we keep going down, there's some links, some online course resources. So if you need a tutor, you can fill out this tutor request form, and it tells you it'll all be through Zoom or Google Hangouts or so on. But you hit next and you just fill out that form and they can hook you up with a tutor. The other thing that's great is that we can have you use online tutoring. So this 24/7 online tutoring, if you hit get started, then you go ahead and you select what topic you need. So algebra. So you have 300 minutes of tutoring. Okay, I won't hit connect because it takes me to a tutor. I did it before. I don't want to waste their time, but um, this is just another resource that you have. So right here on your page. Okay, I hope that those are helpful and that you're doing well. Please definitely stop by study session with Min. She is a great resource as well. So I hope that everyone is doing good, and I will talk to you soon.